Hi, I'm Tim Alden with Alden School of Leather Trades. In this week's video, we're going to show you how to do one of these simple leaves. Okay, so we're going to cut this next leaf out. Start with the stem. Always on the left side. You're right-handed. And then this is probably my favorite leaf. It's a variation of one my great-great-uncle Wilbur used quite a bit in his saddles that he built. Don't know exactly where it originated from, but you can see it in his work from the 1940s. And he used it a lot, so I like it. Okay, go ahead and bevel this now. Do the other side of the stem. Now we're going to go ahead and bevel these lines. I usually start at the top of the leaf. I'll roll around this edge. You can see when I cut my swivel knife cuts that I cut deep and then tapered off, and I'm going to bevel that the same way. Start in base. Now that we got that beveled out, we're going to shade the leaf stem with our vertical line thumbprint once again, the same angle. Pretty much all leaves can be shaded at the same angle here. If you're wondering what angle this is, go pick up a leaf. And they're pretty consistent. Every once in a while, I'll shade this, and I'll just hit it a little bit darker. I'll shade the whole thing, but every once in a while I'll hit a little bit darker, and it'll create a little ripple effect there. There's 100 different ways that you could tool the same leaf and make it look different each time. Generally, it changes even for me. So now that we've got that done, we're going to come back with our horizontal lined thumbprint, and I'll start with the second petal back. I'm just going to tip it forward, and I'm going to kind of go at a pretty steep angle out and just use the narrow side and kind of tuck it in there, and then I'm going to roll it around as the leaf comes back where it's more in line with the rest of the shading lines. Once again, I'm going to start with the second leaf back, narrow side here, and then I'll go ahead and take my smooth thumbprint for this top one. I'm just going to kind of like my acanthus leaf that I made the video of. Just going to roll around that S curve and shadow the same line as my swivel knife cut makes, and it just creates a little different look at the front of that leaf. Now we can use our scalloped line veiner, and on this one, rather than having it cup with the direction that's going, I turn it around backwards. I keep that same angle with the tool, but the curve is at a reverse angle to the arch of the leaf. I keep them pretty tight together. Sometimes if your lines are kind of puckered up from doing the veiner like that, you can just lightly come back with your beveler, knock those points down along your stem. On this one, I'm going to go ahead and do some dress cuts. Usually just kind of do them at the front here, where I did my smooth line. Start in heavy, taper off, and then I'll roll around here and cut the point of that, and pretty much leave it alone from there. Well, thanks for stopping by. Hope you like these videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share these videos, and check out our website for more patterns that you can download on your floral carving and design, and check out our schedule, see what's going on. If you might want to take a class, you can always email us or give us a call if you have any questions. Hope you're having a good day. We'll see you next time.